Tools. I not only like, but I use those 4 tools combined for my LinkedIn strategy. For my own LinkedIn strategy, for my company's LinkedIn strategy, and for the strategy we also do with your profiles. The limitation of buffer for free accounts is that you can only connect to one social account, and then you do that to your LinkedIn account. You connect the LinkedIn for free to your buffer account. And then you go there to the configurations on LinkedIn. And then you connect your Twitter accounts to your LinkedIn accounts. And then you go there to your Twitter accounts. You don't want to share them all. You just find out that in May there will be 5 interesting events in Ireland. Right? Are you going to post all those 5 things in a Saturday evening because you were there consuming content Saturday evening? They are not good to be posted on that time. You don't want to expose yourself to a level where you're making silly mistakes. And Grammarly has a plugin that goes there in the browser and everything you type on LinkedIn will be auto-corrected. Great to have it, all right?